Bosch 500 Series VeroCafe TPU40109 review. 2 lattes, 9 drinks, 0 morning drama. Have you ever stood in your kitchen at 7 in the morning, one eye open, desperately waiting for a mediocre pod machine to finish its sad little cycle? I have been there. My old machine took 4 minutes to warm up, then delivered something lukewarm and forgettable. Genuinely painful. Drop a comment if your morning coffee routine feels more like a chore than a ritual. That heavy fog of starting your day with bad coffee follows you longer than you think. I tried manual espresso machines, I tried capsule systems. None of them solve the problem without creating a new one. Grinding mess here, subscription cost there. There is a calmer, smarter way to get a genuinely great cup without making coffee feel like a part-time job. Don't just pick any fully automatic espresso machine. Make sure it has a true simultaneous double cup function, so you never suffer the awkward wait of brewing one drink at a time for 2 people again. That realization led me straight to the Bosch 500 Series VeroCafe TPU40109, and honestly, it changed my entire morning pace. The Ceram Drive ceramic grinder runs quietly, grinds consistently across 6 settings, and keeps beans cool so those delicate flavor notes stay intact from hopper to cup. The 15-bar pump pulls a proper crema without any fuss. The external milk hose drops into any container, including oat, soy, and almond milk, which is genuinely rare at this level. Here is what surprised me most. A colleague of mine who works from home told me he used to lose 20 minutes every morning juggling milk and espresso separately. He switched to this machine, set his preferred strength and temperature once, and now both his and his partner's lattes are ready before his first meeting notification even pops. The auto milk clean cycle handles itself after every use. Long-term reliability is where this machine really earns its place.
After months of consistent use, the routine genuinely simplifies. A certified coffee technician praised the removable brewing unit specifically, noting that in his repair experience, non-removable brew groups are the leading cause of long-term hygiene failure in automatic machines. Bosch's front access design sidesteps that entirely. A lifestyle content creator described the one-touch double cup feature as a morning lifesaver for couples, appreciating how both lattes arrive simultaneously, without either person waiting or compromising. From a market analyst perspective, the TPU 401040 delivers a feature set typically found in machines priced significantly higher, particularly the plant milk compatibility and automated cleaning cycle, which address the 2 biggest pain points in the super automatic category. One verified daily user shared that after more than a year of use, the machine still performs exactly as it did on day 1, which is the kind of long-term reliability that matters more than any spec sheet. Now, the price point is genuinely a fair concern, and I will not pretend otherwise. But when you factor in the 2-year warranty covering up to 7,000 cups and the elimination of cafe spending, the investment calculates differently over time. What would one genuinely great cup every single morning actually be worth to you?
The Bosch 500 Series VeroCafe TPU40109 turns the messiest part of your morning into the smoothest. 9 one-touch drinks, true simultaneous double cup brewing, plant milk compatibility, and a machine that cleans itself after every use. Thousands of households have already made this upgrade and are not looking back. Results may vary based on water quality and bean choice. You will find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below. No pressure at all. Just explore it and see if it fits your mornings.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.